Okay, remember, guys, today, for freshmen, today during lunch, you need to go down to Cat's Court and to register or sign up for your electives for next year. Okay, that's important because if you don't go down there and pick what you want, somebody's going to pick something for you. Okay? So you may end up with something that you don't want if you don't go down there. So make sure you go down there, especially the CTE programs, FFA, culinary, all of those. You gotta make sure that you get down there and sign up for them. Tomorrow, Bailey. Tomorrow, we're having a test. So, I'm telling you about it. Tomorrow we're having a test. Okay, so if you're not here, if you don't take the test tomorrow, you will be in reteach next week. So, and some of you will take the test tomorrow and still be in reteach next week.
Yep.
So, let's go over the bell board for today, and then we're going to talk some more about vertexes, finding the vertex, finding the equation from the vertex that we did yesterday. Number one, write a linear function for the table shown. Tyler, what do you got?
Y equals x plus 6.
David?
Y equals x plus 3.
Shara?
I guess.
Okay, who's got that one?
Nick does.
Aaron?
Y equals 10.2x plus 49.
What the heck?
Is that right? Because I definitely didn't get it right.
Is that what you came up with?
That's what I came up
Oh, that's not what I came up with.
with. Would you, okay, we'll see. Then you go with yours. What'd you
Okay.
come up with?
Nick?
Y equals negative 9.8x plus 29.
Yeah, that's what I got.
You're negative what?
Okay.
How big
Negative
is cheese?
negative 9.8x plus 49.
Yeah.
I was looking at that, I didn't know what it was.
I had my from my.
I was so confused.
That's the, yeah.
Maybe
they
that's
have it on
really
the thing.
Yeah.
That little prankster.
What are the other answers?
Okay, so, number two.
Oh no. I didn't get this.
You said they had that one?
Tyler said.
Tyler.
No.
Bailey?
I do not have.
Jacob? You got the equation for it?
No. Oh, yeah. Wait.
Why did you
Because it says, write an
Jim
equation.
Carson, he knows.
Okay, you have to write an equation to come up with an answer. So, Zoe?
450 equals 6x minus 25%.
Huh?
Yeah, the thought process is there. Okay. $450 equals 6h minus 0.2568.
Oh,
Okay, you have to specify that that 25% is of this.
So you got Nick?
Okay, so how many hours does she have to work to take home $450?
Oh, you didn't tell me.
Tyler?
He.
$6 an hour, but they take away,
$6 an hour?
they take away 0.25, take away 25% taxes and stuff.
No week or how long?
So how long does she have to work to make take home $450?
47 hours.
2.5 weeks worth of work.
Yeah, so like a lot of hours.
So,
48 hours, no, that's too much.
What was the question?
How many hours?
How many hours?
Oh,
You're gonna make me
Take
do-
home $450.
Huh? What?
Good.
No, I'm gonna be dying.
75 hours?
100 hours. 100 hours.
100 hours.
100 hours.
No.
Knew it. Just call me
How would
Einstein.
it be?
Just call me Einstein, why don't you?
Okay, so that's what it comes out to.
What would you do,
Okay.
6 divided by 450?
6 hours minus 0.25% of 6. So,
So yeah, you pay $10 an hour.
okay, so this is before the minimum wage law changed. Number 3, what's that graph going to look like?
Down. This
It's gonna be vertical line.
goes negative.
What's that graph going to look like for number 3, David? What's the graph going to look like for number 3?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. It goes down. It goes, yeah, it goes negative. If it's negative, it goes down. If it's positive, it goes up. If it's negative, it's down, so it's going down. Huh?
They're making
wrong.
They're making fun of us.
Okay. Aaron, what's it going to look like?
Up.
Sideways like this.
Zoe,
It's gonna be a vertical line.
thank you.
You can try.
The vertical line at negative 3.
What?
Isn't that what she said?
he definitely did not say
Okay, so, Dominic, what's the y-intercept going to be on that one?
Wait, on number 3?
On number 3,
I don't have
It
one.
doesn't have one.
0.
Good job.
doesn't have a y-intercept.
Ooh, just call me Einstein. I'm gonna do that.
Okay, so number 4, give me an equation for the scatter plot here. Bailey,
Wrong.
I got y equals 2x.
You're wrong.
What did you get?
No.
Zoe, what'd you get?
Y equals 2x plus 4.
Y equals 2x plus 4. Okay, you know it's going to be a plus 4 because it starts at 4.
Oh.
So the y-intercept is where that's what the plus is going to be. Okay. Number 5, is this going to be a, this one is
Carson has this one.
Carson, is it going to be linear or exponential?
Exponential,
Why?
because numbers are jacked up.
Numbers are jacked up.
Okay. I need a better answer to explain that. Why? Donovan?
Because it multiplies by 6.
Yes. It goes up by a multiplier of 6.
Oh, those are 4.
Okay, so,
Oh, I see how it was, you know?
4. I just write it.
Y equals 2x plus
79%.
get out your homework from yesterday.
Can you do number 4, 8, 9, and 10?
Really?
Just ask you to plan.
That's all you have to show.
Tyler. Okay, Blake, you're right. You go.
Move the whole class.
That's not correct.
You're right.
Yeah, I know. Look at
I have a sand machine and walk around with my sand.
8, 9, and 10.
Bro, it's only gonna be $50.
I'm not letting you go watch.
Okay, 8, 9, and 10.
Tyler, shut up.
Yeah.
If you go back and listen to, watch the video today, they'll all know that you were the one talking. If they watch the one from yesterday, they'll all hear Carson's comment. It was actually pretty decent. I can't remember it exactly, but it referenced when I said, now we're going to, we've learned how to do find the vertex, and now we're going to learn how to take the vertex and find the quadratic equation.
That means like held in his lap yesterday, then like trying to laugh and like held it in there.
Something like, you can tell there was a little bit of exasperation. All right, so did you guys have trouble with the homework?
Yes.
Yes.
For the ones that had an A value of 1? Okay, the A value of 1 isn't too difficult. I hope everybody got number 1. Number 1, the vertex form was y equals paren x plus 8 close paren to the second power plus 7. Quadratic was y equals x squared plus 16x plus 71.
Is it okay if I like the quadratic first and then the vertex?
Yeah, doesn't. So you have to find the vertex form to find the quadratic form. All right, so hopefully everybody got number 1 because that was the one that I did on the board yesterday, so all you had to do was write it down. But what I'm more concerned with are the ones like number 4. Okay, number 4, where A equals 2, vertex equals -9, 8. Okay, and so Bailey, you're the only one that wasn't here yesterday, so pay attention. Okay, because like I told you yesterday, doing this process of converting the vertex back to a quadratic equation is very difficult, very complicated. So, after 25 weeks of being in class with me, you should know what that means. Vertex form, y equals x plus 9 squared plus 8.
Oh, this is weird. What do I do?
Okay? All you have to do is put, for vertex form, you take the value of h and plug it in here. Opposite sign. If this is a negative, like this is -9, so you're going to add it, x plus 9.
Aren't you supposed to write
Oh, I'm not so bad.
Aren't you supposed to write the 2 in front of the parentheses when you're writing it that form?
No.
Right in front and then before, and then, or else the 2 is not.
Oh, I forgot that.
That's what you did yesterday, you wrote the 2 in front of it, and then you solved the FOIL, and then you did 2 back to the very end.
Well, my number 4 answer was
Oh, okay, I see what 2 you're talking about.
Yeah, that 2 up there, like you.
Okay, this 2.
You're right, that's what you can do.
He's all done.
The only 2 I had up there was this one, and I was trying to figure out why you want to put that inside the parentheses. Okay, no, you're right, I forgot to put that up there. You put the leading 2 because you have an A value of 2.
Wait, were you doing number 5 right now?
4.
4. Okay, the equation for this is A y equals A x plus h plus k. So now you have to FOIL this, so you have 2 x squared plus 9x plus 9x plus 81 plus 8.
So, why?
Or 2 x squared plus 18x plus 81 plus 8. Okay, you guys with me on this?
Sort of. I think I did it before, right?
Okay, and then
Oh.
now you distribute your two only to what's in those parentheses. 2x squared plus 36x plus 162 plus 8, or y equals 2x squared plus 36x plus 170.
Definitely lost me. How the heckers?
No. Down you. Okay, Dr. Crandall. What if I added them instead of multiplying?
Yeah, I got that.
So I got all the answers wrong.
No, you didn't.
Well, then.
Wait, what did you
Yes,
do?
got all the
Instead of
answers.
multiplying the last two numbers, I added them.
Okay, that thing is so
I know.
Yeah, well, then you gotta go back and fix them all.
Wait, you did that for
Can I fix them all before I turn it in for a debate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Number 4.
Okay, so number 4 here, and this is your vertex form. This is your quadratic.
I'm using it on tonight.
I need it.
Which is also called the standard. Okay, yesterday I was calling it quadratic form all day, but I noticed then this morning that the paper calls it the standard form. But it's the same thing. Quadratic form is your standard form. So, and the only thing different if you're doing, if A is equal to 1, is that you don't have to do this extra set of multiplying either. You don't have to distribute 1. But if A is a negative 1, like on number 3, where A is a negative 1, then you have to do the distribution, just like I did here with the 2, but you have to distribute a negative 1 because it's going to change all your signs when you multiply by negative 1. Okay, so like on number 3, when it was negative 1, negative 7, negative 10. Okay, then you're going to have negative 1 x plus 7 squared minus 10.
Where do you get the square from?
Did you have to
Do
do?
you like put it there like on every single one?
When you're doing vertex form, yeah. Because that's how you get it to be a quadratic.
lost.
So now we do the same thing I did over there. At the negative 1, and then I have x plus 7 squared is going to be x squared plus 14x plus 49 minus 10. And then because it was a negative 1, now I have to multiply that by negative 1.
Oh, that would do.
So I have y equals negative x squared minus 14x minus 49 minus 10, which gives me a quadratic of negative x squared minus 14x minus 59.
And that would be considered the standard?
For what one?
Standard form, that's standard or quadratic form. Okay, this is vertex form, this is standard form. Okay, remember to take that when you're given just the A in the vertex, to take that and convert it into a quadratic or a standard equation, you have to pretty much go through this step, putting it in the vertex equation.
Oh my gosh.
Because otherwise, you can still do that, you can still do this for math, but it's a whole lot more complicated.
This is like rocket science.
Actually, wrong.
No.
You are
I've
dead.
I've done rocket science, Carson.
This is
This
definitely
isn't close.
rocket man.
Okay, so correct what you've got wrong on your papers with doing those. If you, like, identified already that you made a mistake on how you were doing it, or with these, when A is equal to something other than 1, okay, because there was problems. 3, 4, 8, 9, and 10.
90%.
Okay. So a lot of people, I noticed, second period had trouble with the minus sign. Remember, there's a test tomorrow. It's going to be over all this stuff we've been talking about.
We've been talking about it for 2 days.
Is it gonna be graded?
Tomorrow's will be.
That'd be the post.
Sometime I'll get next week, or last week's graded.
We're getting homework tomorrow?
No, it's a
I'm
test.
slowly getting last week's graded.
Has it been dropping grades?
Yeah.
Mine's going higher.
So far, I've graded 1 test that was a passing grade.
Carson has 112.
So why are you entering them?
Obviously, we don't know. Carson has 107.